Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Easler. I'm the head instructor here at drugtestingcourses.com. Today I wanted to go over hand washing techniques for urine specimen collection, urine specimen testing, whether it's for DOT or non-DOT protocols. It's really important to make sure that you're familiar with the reasoning behind having hand washing procedures as part of the steps, and also what you can and can't allow. So the main reason that we have hand washing here is because people will actually coat their hands with a type of adulterant before they come in to do the testing, and then a lot of times these are going to be almost invisible to the naked eye or completely invisible to the naked eye. So the only way to avoid having them being able to go in and adulterate any kind of substance that they're going to give you is to actually have them wash their hands with soap. And now the soap that we want to use is not the bar soap, it's going to be the liquid soap, and I usually recommend using the blue dye foaming soap that you can usually get from a big box store there. Now, when they're going to wash their hands, you want to make sure that you're watching them carefully. Some people will, for example, coat their thumb in advance and then pretend like they're washing their hands with soap and then never actually get the thumb. So if you watch closely with the way I'm washing my hands, obviously you're gonna have to pretend, or it actually looks like I'm washing my hands, but you actually don't, I'm not actually getting my right thumb, which is right here. So keep an eye on that here. So not washed at all, even though it looks like I'm washing my hands. Maybe I'll get in between my fingernails, whatever we need to do. So keep an eye out for that. What you'll say is, oh, Mr. Easler, looks like you forgot to get your right thumb there. Why don't you go ahead and get that nice and thorough for me here, and then move forward with the process. So that's going to be one of the main issues you're going to encounter with hand washing. Now, another concern that is a little less common is with people who have skin conditions. So if you have a major issue with breaking out with rashes or something like that, you may even have a doctor's note indicating that you can only wash your hands so frequently, or you can't use soap whenever you're using it. Unfortunately, you must wash your hands for any type of urine drug test because of that concern of them potentially bringing in contaminants from the outside to adulterate the specimen. So they must wash their hands even if they have a doctor's note. And that would then be considered a refusal if they did not wash their hands. So unfortunately, you do have to make sure that they wash their hands all the way, no matter what. You can't put a glove on to have them go in there and provide a specimen, because again, they could take that off the moment you close that door.